If you dey look me koro koro or you dey hear me whine whine, I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of GoTV cable, Star Times channel 195, channel 17 for my TV, and if you dey on top of internet, www.wazobiatv.tv/live. We don't come again with that ogbonge politics discussion show. As e dey hot, we dey tell una say every weekday from 10 to 11 na Christmas, sake of say all the action tori wey dey comot smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring, we go discuss am, give you license to chook mouth inside and talk am the way the TB for body, so that those wey dey lead us go hear the voice of God inside the voice of the people, do the right thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezugbo Chukwuode, and as you know, I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well stay concerned the politics matter as e dey hot.
Yes, and a beautiful Thursday morning to our wonderful viewers wey dey watch us right now. We don't carry us the hot come again. Well, we'll give now all the information of waiting they happen for Obodo Nigeria. And today don't go different because we'll carry them in a very special package. Come, we'll call them 3-in-1. 3 different solid issues. Now we'll do it. Now we'll go discuss. We'll go get our one Ogbonge guest right there in house now. We'll also do it. Join us to dissect and break these issues so that at least by the time I go here and finish, I go also feed do it in call. Also contribute in our own quarter to the whole discussion. My name never see change. My name now Nkubi. And just now ask the hall.
Our Ogbonge visitor on a person when we say any issue when they affect us inside Obodo Nigeria, make I break them down. If he dey inside motor, they pass for express, he just hear Nigeria, whether na inside bush, inside house, anywhere, he go park, come out, go there say, what you wanna talk about Nigeria? I won't follow this matter to the end. In fact, he get one gist where they talk say, he dey discuss about Nigeria, he forget to chop. He dey discuss about Nigeria, night reach. People come from the area, come the beg and say, he don't do. Anytime when he hear Nigeria, passion, they always they follow him. So today when we tell us we want to discuss Nigeria, before we even talk say Nigeria, he don't already enter inside our studio. And they talk of no other than Elite Olukayode Salako. Elite Olukayode Salako na be the National Coordinator of Change Agents of Nigeria Network. Elite, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Thank you very much.
We get one tradition on top of As E Dey Hot. We shake hand.
Are they happy to be with you guys this morning again?
You're
the
welcome.
only thing we say, we're not going to fight today.
No, we're not going to fight. Because this issue we discuss.
promise me?
No, we're not going to fight. We're not going to fight. I'm the peace-loving man here. We know the fighter here. But as a comrade...
You get trouble small.
Thank you.
Your mouth too sharp.
Thank you.
Your mouth too sharp.
Thank you for that talk we talk.
We're not going to waste time. We could just go straight into our discussion. We could already talk and say, it could be 3-in-1. And make we break them down before we go enter the first one. Everybody knows, say, when you get Ogbonge visitor inside studio, it's very important to ensure, say, that visit, the team makes sense well. So we'll go discuss 3 important issues when we say, if they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. The first one and the important issue we'll go start with, the thing get to do with something when we say, inside the border Nigeria, everybody here, they stand up when we discuss them. It got to do with the proposed sale, that is, the federal government of Nigeria don't come out, come talk, say, for the presidential fleet, 2 of our planes, they won't sell them in order to raise money when they go chook into the economy to help Nigeria balance where come out inside economic recession. We'll go discuss this particular issue. See, say, okay, even if we even find buyers, sell them, the money won't go even carry. What we go use that money do? If we even get the money saved, he get anything when he go do, I mean, they go just chop the money, the usual way they chop them again. The second one get to do with the ruling by the ECOWAS court when they come and talk, say, the continued detention of former National Security Advisor, Colonel Sambo Dasuki retired, say the thing they unconstitutional and the thing they illegal. We won't ask, say, whether Oga Presido, he be like, say, the thing when people they talk, you know, they hear them. Say, problem, the thing, whether the thing still, that one, I waiting, our Ogbonge visitor go chook mouth inside. And the final one get to do with what they play out for the House of Senate yesterday. For the floor of the House, one of the senators when they represent Lagos, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, she give idea, say, at least 1% of what the federal government they collect, when they give Lagos State based on say the contribution of Lagos State inside the national pocket of Nigeria. Now something went big. Some people talk say no, they don't go agree. Our Ogbonge visitor go chook mouth inside all this one. We'll start from this first one. This first one get with to do with the proposed sale. Everybody knows say Nigeria by the result when we say the National Bureau of Statistics don't bring out, we dey inside economic recession, and people don't they suggest how we go take it come up for this recession. One of those now waiting, the richest man for Africa, the richest black man, Aliko Dangote, he come out and talk say make we sell some of our national assets. Arguments don't come whether sell this one, no sell that one, but some people don't talk say make we sell the ones when they dormant, and they don't discover say some of these assets when they dormant now part of the presidential fleet. How country go there? We will get 10, 11. How many people they enter them? How will they maintain them? All this money, na money where we say, if we sell them, we go use this money where. Now, GIS don't come and say, federal government don't say they won't sell 2 of these presidential fleets. So people don't argue, say, rather than sell these fleets, why not convert them to national carriers? Maybe they use them, they make some kind of money for this country. What do you think about this particular arrangement?
Thank you. Wait till me, I want to talk, be say, we, the people of Nigeria, now we they turn our assets, all our assets, now we they run them anyhow. When we can't run them anyhow, run them down, finish, we still want to they benefit, they gain the assets. Many of these assets, where would they talk? They're not the asset again. They don't turn to liability. As we said before, say some of them don't dormant. They don't go dormant. Me, I go call them liability. Waiting me, I don't they talk. We say, Nigeria get plenty assets. We get many. But many of them don't become dormant and like liability. They don't they bring any money for Nigeria again. They just stay there. Nobody they run them. They don't they provide employment. They don't they bring resources. They just stay there. They spoil. For example, that our former federal secretariat, the one we do at the back of the studio here. If you go there now, you go see big grass.
Big grass.
Don't grow.
Bush rats.
Now, hoodlums, destitute, they live inside. Now, Igbo and they smoke inside that place. We still feel call that one asset.
No, not at all.
That one don't become liability now.
True.
So, National Stadium for Surulere. Go there, go see. If you go to that place, you go shake your head, you go cry for Nigeria.
National Stadium.
How will they abandon all our national assets? We go abandon them, run them anyhow. Where Nigeria Airways of yesterday? Nigeria Airways, not the way run her down. I mean, the Nigeria Airways run itself down. Now we, Nigerians, now we they do all these assets in Yamayama. Now we they run them down. Now, government don't get money. Government don't get plenty money now to run the country. Now, in Dangote come think, say, maybe if we sell out some of these liabilities we call assets, maybe government will get plenty money from there. Fee use them for the development of our country. This is my own position. Me, I not there for the selling of assets. Me, I don't want to make government sell all our assets. Because if we sell all the assets this year to run this year's budget, now what we go sell next year if we still get budget deficit? If you still don't get enough money to run that budget, now what we go sell? It be like a landlord where you get 5 houses, where you can't get problem, you can't get challenges. You know if he get money to pay his tuition fees. You know if he get money to run his life in life. They can't advise him say make he sell all the 5 houses. He can't sell them. Use the money to solve the problem. That one makes sense. Make you go become tenant. Somebody will get 5 houses. Make you go become tenant. Or when you can't get problem tomorrow again, now wait till you go sell. My hand be the situation waiting for Nigeria now. My own advice to the government be this: make we divide all those assets into 2. Now, which ones be the real asset where still they bring money for Nigeria? Where we still they run well? Where we Nigerians never run down? Make we put that one for one side. All those assets where we don't run down, where we don't abandon, where they know they bring money to Nigeria again, where then they spoil, where then they make we sell those ones. If we sell those ones, we go use the money, join the money wey we dey look for to develop or to run the budget. That's okay. My own
stand
position.
Okay, make I ask you this particular one. Over time, we don't see our government, previous government, sell different assets we get. You mentioned Nigerian Airways, a typical example. Make we bring in something like a Nitel, and a couple of other two we don't sell. Make we bring in NEPA, different now we don't sell. And the whole essence of say we dey sell things, we suppose at least build on. Now because of say we want to take make that sector improve, or make it generate money where we say we go feel pump into something where we say at least Nigerians go feel benefit from. But over time, with all these things where we don't sell, one, the money of what we sell we not see and reflect. Then the thing where they sell, we not also see the essence of what they sell, the improvement. So she notice say this same selling trend, now the same kind of paru-pasu kind of level, say you go sell. In the end, the money they talk to, they won't take, they won't pump it. We no go see them, we no go see them make them pump effectively into the economy.
You be correct guy. Your question a correct question. But make I tell you what did happen. All those assets where they say they don't sell in the past, before. Now who they sell them to? Now who they sell them to? Should they sell them to people will get interest, will get the resources, the money to buy them and transform them, or then sell them to their own people. If I want to sell my house, and you are my brother, or you are my best friend, and maybe I'm supposed to sell that house for 20 million naira. I can't do wuru. I can't sell it to you for 1.5 million naira. And the money where I need on that asset, na 20 million, I sell it to you for 1.5 million. I don't sell them for loss, abi? The country no go gain. True. The money we're supposed to get from that asset, we no go get them. You where I sell them to, say you get money to buy that asset, transform them, and they run them where? Now, be the problem. Many of these assets where we don't sell before, they no sell them through normal public procurement process. Privatization, I mean, the right policy where they back privatization or sale of assets, they no sell them through the normal procedure.
Okay.
Now, I also want to ask you this. Say it better make we sell those assets where don't become liabilities, and make we leave them, make them they spoil. And at the same time, they know they generate anything for us. Waiting me, I feel be saying, if the government won't sell anything now, make it then sell them through open and transparent bidding. And make it they don't sell them completely. If you say now 100% stake,
they involved.
Make the government still hold on
to some percentage.
To maybe about 40%. So that asset, it no go completely. It no go become the buyer's asset completely. The government interest go see there. The people who bring that 60% too, their own interest go see there. So that by the time they run the assets, they run that asset, they won't run out to they make money again. Government no go allow a own 40% make it go down. True. Those who bring in 60% too, they no go allow them make it go down. So government go to watch the private people they go to watch themselves. They go to struggle, make their investment, the money where they don't put, make it no go down. In that wise, they go fit run the business well. Now in government they call PPP, private public partnership arrangement. Very true. Anything where they PPP, government no go allow the private people to run it down. Private people too, they no go allow the government people to use bureaucracy. These are bureaucratic culture to run it down. So they go to monitor them. They go to run them together. But make we now come to this issue of the question we asked me about the aeroplane, where our government won't sell. Now, what we need 11 aircraft for? Now, what we need them for? Now, because before, the kind of government where we get, then just they waste money. Then be prodigal government. You know the story of the prodigal son in the Bible. Now, so they run our country before. They just spend the money yafu. They can chop their life. They can chop life. When ordinary Nigerians they suffer, we dey inside a country where we get everything. We get oil, we get mineral resources, we get human resources, we get everything. What we no get? We get the ocean, we get fish inside, we get gold. There is nothing we don't get. Yet we still dey suffer because our parents, the leaders, we're supposed to take care of our lives, give us proper upbringing, take care of us, spend the money for us to get good life. They refuse to do them. Now only themselves, then they concentrate on. Now only themselves and their own children, they live good life. The rest of us, now inside suffering today, now it make them just they buy aeroplane. They buy aeroplane. They buy aeroplane for one president. Waiting one president and one vice president won't take 11 aeroplane do. So me, I not go blame Buhari for this because don't be Buhari by him. Buhari came in about 16 months ago. Now the previous government buy and put there. But we don't tell Buhari say
he even talk say if he come.
He don't promise change. He don't promise.
Mr. Olukayo,
Yes.
Make I ask one question. If we even talk about the culture of waste for Nigeria, you know they're synonymous to one political party. You know they're synonymous to one particular government. It be like say as Nigeria they like this. The political elite. I don't know. You say you be elite. I don't know whether you own a political elite.
Or just the people's elite.
I'm a social elite.
Okay, social elite. So may I come you from them.
Yeah.
But if like you sabi them because somehow, may I also say all of you now. If like say one particular culture when they now say this money day. Wetin money dey for? Make we spend am. Make we dey extravagant. Make people know say we dey spend plenty money. We don see pictures. Like for example, we get one picture wey been trend few days ago. The president of Tanzania, John Magufuli, in the inside economy class. We don't see the prime minister, the former prime minister. We don't see the present prime minister. We don't even see Pope. We don't see some very influential people when we say now inside normal plane and they. Even the American president are just the Air Force One. But for Nigeria, even governors, some go just they buy helicopter. Some one governor go they pass. The cars when go they go reach like 25, 20, and now state of the art cars. What thing with those things when we say we supposed to use ensure say we cut down because even if we even look say okay, Oga President don't come, in one sell 2 out of some people they say na 10, some people they say na 11. But if we still check, West still there inside government. The way when they take there for the previous administration, now him is still there till today. If the president they pass, the same number of cars when they follow this same president today, now the same number of one when they follow the former president. Even when he go United Nations General Assembly, in wife of so many governors follow. Governors when we don't even know what they do, they follow. Everybody just they follow. On the 1st of October, former governor of Anambra State, Peter Obi, him in talk say before if they invite him in go Abuja. Now 30 people now they follow and they go because of what they put say okay oh, this one must follow the governor, that one must follow the governor, this one must follow the governor, and he go discover say for the meeting now only I go the rest go dey hotel, they chop, they drink, and na government money that they spend, and this money belong to all of us. What if the things what we do to use ensure say government will they hold them accountable? That money when they think say they when they spend when belong to all of us, they no go they spend that many.
Why Peter Obi no advise Jonathan?
How you go take advice Jonathan?
The former president.
He not be special advisor to the president.
They inside the government, they support him. Now all of them run the government together. We know.
No, Mr. Kayode, may I talk something? No, may I talk something? You know if you ask, say why governor, no advice president.
No,
even when he come out as governor, you know if you ask him, say why no advice? Because he will be advisor.
Peter Obi for no support him for second term.
Why no go support him?
Why you go support him? Why you know say the best way you support, they waste our resources.
How you take no say they waste resources?
No.
Okay, Mr. Salako, may I ask one question? Before Peter Obi come up for governor, he saved 75 billion, give the person wey succeed am. All these our other governors, whether PDP or APC wey comot, how many dem sef give their
But they
governors?
don't come out from a state to say no be so.
For many of the Willie Obiano never ever dispute
Me,
say no
I
say
don't read that from social media saying no be as a talker, it be.
But on top
in this case,
say you don't leave you don't leave am
see,
for them to see
the major question here be say, okay, the excessive spending.
wetin dey this government
Where
just like the
the
previous
past government, still dey this government.
Thank you.
Wetin this government dey also need to cut down on cost, because if they tell say they wan fight corruption, and yet we still see the same. Even your plan say don even multiply, they no even send us. They still dey spend. So wetin we want to do to say yes to this particular spending? Say they also cut down.
Make I answer to John Nukubi question. E get one broadcast wey me dey go round recently say senator dey earn 36 million every month.
House of Rep dey earn about
25 million every month. Na so dem dey earn am before. Na im dem still dey earn am now.
shey una still remember say the power of the president dey limited under a democratic system.
Of course, everybody dey subject to
The
the law.
power dey limited. As things be now in Nigeria, e be like say na only the president na him wan fight that corruption.
So what about im party people?
E be like so shey Mr. President Buhari na all the party people. How many of the party people he know?
But many of them ride on the fact say change, APC
Yes,
change,
on the
APC
mantle of change.
Why you come be say
How
now?
they hide
Everybody
behind
do
that?
APC change. Na only President Muhammadu Buhari go
Make
change.
I
settle down among them.
make I talk now. Make I talk. I don't want make we fight.
we no go fight.
You
just
bring me say make I come talk, abi?
Yes, yes.
You don't bring me say you wan come fight me.
No.
Okay. Wetin me I wan talk be say this man just enter about 16 months ago. Now the tradition of over 56 years, Nigeria just do 56 years 3 days ago. 3 or 4 days ago. We just celebrate 56 years. Somebody will come 16 months ago. You know, if we just come, bam, and change everything like that, bam. Even the children of Israelites, when God called Moses, say make you go rescue them from from captivity in Egypt. God not take them from Egypt, bam, and go and drop them in Canaan land, the promised land. They still went through a journey. Now that journey, now he will do so. The white man say, slow and steady wins the race. At least for the fact say we get one president, we see the airports to talk about, say he won't fight corruption. He won't fight indiscipline. He won't stop impunity. That alone supposed to make us feel say we get hope.
Okay.
This president in power then limited.
Okay,
Not be military.
May I bring up
Listen.
Okay.
If this president they do things the way all of us want, now we go to call him a dictator again.
Okay, Oga, look at it. May I bring up from this angle? May I bring up from this angle?
This man they take him steady by steady.
Steady by steady. I'll go look at it.
Not be only him supposed to dey fight corruption. As it is now, now only him.
I'll go look at it. See,
Don't fight am.
a couple of times, Oga President don't come and talk. Say yes. Say he knows Nigerians they suffer. Say he know the pains when Nigerians they go through.
Yes.
And Oga President also come and talk. Say we need to cut express too much money for governance. Okay, we'll give a typical example here. If we see say at least the body language of the president will show say yes, so that cutting of cost at least they're showing you. Oga President travel for this UN this thing, carry his wife, carry. About the number of people they take carry for just one situation, no let them go sit down. Shey one time say, would they try to reflect say cutting of cost dey for that way plan?
Mr. President no go travel alone. He go travel with his economic team.
But no let them go sit down for the.
Listen, when they travel,
him wife, him daughter, the place wey dey join am.
If it is state travel, no be personal travel. Mr. President dey travel on behalf of Nigeria. He go with some of his ministers. When they go help and attend to different issues. Different issues go come up. He went for the United Nations General Assembly. His economic team supposed to be there so that people will want to engage them, go fit engage them. Mr. President alone no go travel for state visit. He go with people. When he gets to where he go, all the people will want to engage them, They no go dey engage am directly. It go dey too much for am.
Okay, like people ranging to like 80 people.
Two daughters.
No, ranging to like 80 people.
Listen.
Okay, we need to go for this break.
I want make you know say
we go talk with you.
we get culture for
Nigeria. Go for this break because the matter still very hot.
Is it hot?
Okay, look at go still give us reply
honestly,
to this question.
I want talk. Is it hot?
We go talk.
Now we'll go for the break when they come.
Welcome back to Aside Hot. The matter still dey comot plenty smoke. Hezugu Chukwu, the Nkubi and our ogbonge visitor, Olukayode Salako, dey inside studio. And we talk say we dey discuss 3 in 1. The first one don already generate plenty controversy. We go finish am enter the second one before we top am up with the final one. And before we go that break, you been talk say you wan talk.
Yes.
We go allow you talk this talk finish, but make I just drop this one. Oga Presido don talk say excessive waste dey for inside government even before he enter. And he talk say he go cut am. But some people get issue with the fact say somehow maybe you wan cut am but the thing dey waste time. Take for example the one wey we bin raise. You travel go 71st United Nations General Assembly, you go with 86 people. If you even go with your economic
team, that
is not.
Say na 86 people.
In 2 daughters and in wife even follow go.
Make we forget in 2 daughters
and the wife.
Shey you confirm am say na 86 people travel with.
According to the information wey dem give us, wey government give, dem talk say na 86-man delegation. And people dey ask say why you dey travel with 86 people? Meanwhile na only you dey even wan see. And your economic demand dey be.
Make I ask you one question.
Okay.
This man dey run a country. You know me, I be Buhari person. And I never comot for him back. Because as I dey so, for the fact say the man dey responsible. He dey disciplined. He's prudent. The man dey honest. Me I still dey with am. The only problem wey Buhari government get wey me I wan talk na him be say the man no wan play politics. For the say the man no dey play politics the way he suppose to play am. Na him dey affect this government. Na him dey frustrate this government. So make Buhari play politics. Make him play the right politics. And if you no go fit play am, there are some people in his party, inside his party, wey dem sabi play am. Make he delegate them, make them play.
Briefly, me I understand.
Now, make I come back to the issue say he travel with plenty people. I don tell you before. President no dey travel alone. Obama no dey travel alone. Me I never see the president of any country wey dey travel alone. You go travel with your cabinet members.
Entourage.
Not
because 80-something people are like entourage.
Those people they go with him for particular reason. Then go get the reason where they make them to go with him.
Okay.
So that
I'll go look at that.
When people want engage him, he go to refer them.
Okay.
Because he go go there for different reasons. And they go want engage him for different topics, different issues. When they push the question to him, when they come to him, he go direct them to the person where they in charge. Where go answer them.
Okay, go look at that briefly. Now I ask you, why you be the address that you be say something? You say Oga President they play politics.
Yeah,
okay,
you know they play.
You know they play politics. I want to understand. Nigerians go on like understand what you mean by the president not play politics. Say politics where Oga President do they play. Say now that politics say okay, I be sincere president to, I dey transparent to, I no one put her inside wuru or politics say okay, make we play like this, make we play this kind of game like chess kind of game. Which kind of politics be that politics where Oga President they play? Make we understand that well.
You see, for inside democracy, now politics, then they take play democracy. Now politics, now they go take play the game when they go take choose the president. If they come play the politics finish, choose the president finish, the president can't say because him be clay man. He no one play the politics where he go take run his government. There is no way you go fit run a democratic governance where you no go play the politics where you go take run am. Politics and democratic governance, they are like twins. They are like the two of you now. You know, say that they do things together. You no go fit say you want govern this show. Make him know. Make him know the
contribution. Yes.
Mr. President, when they play the politics, during the election time. Mr. President knows say all these people wey dey play the politics with, they no be saints. He knows say they no be saints. So you can't play politics with them, then support you, contribute their resources. You can't become the president now. You can't talk say now you belong to everybody. And you belong to nobody. That kind of statement no necessary. If me I be president advisor, I will tell him before he read that speech, say make he comot am. Because all these people, when they join you to fight the war, wey comot PDP, they no go dey happy make dem hear that kind of statement. And you can't make that type, you can't make that type of statement. You still can't act am, dey behave am. Now, since APC don't get to power, na problem upon problem they solve. Then even they fight themselves within the party because Mr. President no play the politics right. You see, if Mr. President won't run this government smoothly and successfully, he is supposed to get a kind of a team, a body of some of the leadership members of his party in leadership. He's supposed to get them like a committee or a team where waiting those people go there in charge now to help him play the politics if he no one play him. If Mr. President sabi play the politics or he won't play well, all the people where the party wants, now them supposed to be in charge of the leadership of the National Assembly. Not be all the people where the party, where APC as a party, not be all the people where they want to make them dead here. So that they go make Mr. President work easy. Easy for him. Not be them dead here. The people where dead here right now, now the people where PDP lawmakers help to impose on the system. So now if Mr. President say he wants something, the Senate they go send them back. They go say they no go agree. But if to say now the party where they in power, if to say the party in power is the party in charge, in control of the National Assembly, things for don't dey smooth for Mr. President more than this. So the politics wey they talk, they say we have somebody like Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, we have him there. Nobody they say the man a saint. In fact, there is no saint. Saints no they play politics anywhere in the world. Politicians will only be politicians. And the Nigeria of the past, it don't go. Because if Buhari really wants to fight corruption, then he no go emerge. He no go become president through party politics, through partisan means. He came in through partisan means. So now that he's the president, it will be difficult for Mr. President to now they carry all the party members where they corrupt. Where there is, because almost everybody, nobody can claim. They can't carry all the party members, they put them for jail. In 2019, who will go run to play the politics again? Very true. So it is very, very difficult for any leader where go emerge to become president through partisan politics, through party politics, to now come and say, yes, I want to fight corruption in everybody. It will be difficult.
Oga Olukayo, they're talking about fighting corruption in everybody. The ECOWAS court give one ruling now, and that ruling they talk say all the courts when they inside our Obodo Nigeria, like everybody know, the judiciary now the hope of the common man, or the hope of the man, the last hope. Now they don't already rule say okay, former National Security Advisor Colonel Sambo Dasuki retired, say they don't grant and bail. They grant and bail finish under stringent conditions. They can't rearrest them again. And since November of last year, now we don't dey for inside jail. Come court sometimes we go here and say we never prepare, we never do this, we never do that. In just day. We dey even talk about the one of El Zakzaki too, the Shah Oga when they catch, we never even go court. They come now, they talk say now this November. Nnamdi Kanu case also there. Some people don't come and argue say he be like our Oga Presido. He no get respect for our law. this ruling by the ECOWAS court wey come and come talk say they don't even check the law of Nigeria, say the way when we say this thing take happen, you know they follow the right process. You think say the team, I go speak English, e validates the argument of these people?
Well, the question wey me I dey ask myself be say the same EFCC carry Dokpesi, the owner of AIT, they carry am, dem grant am, they release am. The same EFCC carry Femi Fani-Kayode, they release am. The same EFCC carry Olisametu, they release am. The same EFCC don carry so many people, ex-governors, former governors, they release them. Now, wetin be this about these three people? Dasuki, Nnamdi Kanu, and Exactly. Wetin be this about these three people where the judiciary no one release them? Me I no go say na Buhari hold them. Because officially the federal government never come out to say it is Mr. President na him dey hold them. Wetin dem dey talk be say na judiciary, na the court, the judicial system in Nigeria na him dey hold them. Nobody ever come and say.
I'll go look at it.
Now, quickly.
May I quickly correct one impression?
Yes.
I be listening to one of presidential interview.
Okay.
And the president himself taking him out talk say they ask her about the issue of Nnamdi Kanu. He can't take him out talk say anybody say how they are expecting to release somebody if say if they cause threat to the unity of the country. From the president mount. So they try to say this time around say no be still the same instruction where president they give they play out.
Do you know the gravity of the offense of treason? No country.
Because I want to make it relate with El Zazaki.
No country.
Also relate with
no country releases such kind of people.
But if our law talk say this person he get right and if he give am bail, why you dey stop the person from going on?
No, be the law they keep them. They have already be the law.
But some people they talk say underground.
Underground.
The hand of Mr. President.
They inside.
Say you see the hand.
We never see him. But some people they talk say somehow.
If today the Supreme Court or any high court anywhere says we hereby release Dasuki to go home, and Mr. President now comes to come on a broadcast, national broadcast, to say never Dasuki don't go anywhere. But what do you mean at the top? Be saying anybody will commit, listen, anybody will commit treasonable felony offense in any country. You want them to say if American system had been able to capture Osama bin Laden, capture him alive, they will use the rule. They will say because of rule of law they will release him.
Never.
When the man is a threat to the world security. Now.
I go look at it. You go need to pause. No vex because this the matter. It just the blast the tempo they increase. Make we go for this under quick break. When we come back, we go enter the final lap of this program. Ask it a hot.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.